Good morning, students. From this video, we are going to learn about the Chinese civilization and the Indus Valley civilization. The Chinese civilization. China is one of the world's oldest continuous civilization that began around 1500 BC. China has two major rivers. One is known as Huanghe, Yellow River, and the other is called Yangtze River. The Yellow River is known as the Sorrow of China since it changed its course and caused frequent floods. These rivers rise in the mountains of Tibet and flow eastward across China. For many centuries, example 7th to 14th century AD, China was the world's most advanced civilization. Dynasties. Many dynasties were ruled over the territory of China. Shang dynasty, Zhou dynasty, Qin dynasty, Han dynasty, Sui dynasty, Tang dynasty, Song dynasty, Yuan, Ming, Qing dynasty also. China had many city states and gradually these states became part of an empire. Polity and emperors. Shi Huangdi. Shi Huangdi. Here, Shi Huang means the first emperor. The emperor had the title Son of Heaven. He is considered to be the first emperor of China. Who? Shi Huangdi considered to be the first emperor of China. Shi Huangdi destroyed the walled fortifications of different states and constructed the Great Wall of China. Who built the Great Wall of China? Shi Huangdi built the Great Wall of China. Due to protect the empire from invading nomadic people society, the king and his family were placed on the topmost level of the ancient Chinese society. The Shi were the gentry scholars in the time of ancient Shang dynasty. Nong. The Nong class was comprised by the farmers or peasants. Gong. Gong composed by the craftsmen and artisans. Shang. Shang composed by the traders and merchants. Nubi consisted of slaves. Religion. The Chinese were worshippers of nature. They worshipped the earth, heaven, sun, moon, stars, and other aspects of nature. And the Chinese worshipped their ancestor also by organizing family feasts. They did not offer any prayer to help the dead. Rather, they believed that the dead would help the living. Philosophy and literature. Confucius was another great reformer of China. Confucius was another great reformer of ancient China. He said, if personal life is cultivated, family life is regulated. He said, if personal life is cultivated, family life is regulated. And once family life is regulated, national life is regulated. Sericulture. China was the first country in the world to raise silkworms and make silk. The great varieties of silk products including thin, tough silk, figured woven silk, different type of gauze which itself came in more than a dozen types. Pottery. Different kinds of pottery appeared in different times of regions. Another choice pottery that won great reputation for 100 years is purple clay pottery. Chinese script. Chinese developed a writing system from an early time. Initially, it was a pictographic system and later it was converted into a symbol form. Contribution of the Chinese civilization. Writing system was improved. Invention of paper, opening of the Silk Road, invent of gunpowder were the contribution of the China to the world. Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization was one of the world's first great urban civilization. First great urban civilization. உலகின் முதல் நகர நாகரிகம் சிந்து சமவெளி நாகரிகம். It flourished in the vast Indus River plains and adjacent regions. In what are how parts of Afghanistan, Pakistan, and northwestern India. Around 5,000 years ago, an important civilization developed on the Indus River floodplain named the Indus Valley Civilization, which was a Bronze Age civilization, 3,300 year to 1,300 BC. Mature period 2,600 to 1,900 BC. Cities: Harappa, Punjab, Pakistan; Mohenjo-daro, Sindh, Pakistan; Kalibangan, present Rajasthan, are the major cities of the Indus civilization. Fortification, well-planned streets and lanes and drainages can be observed in the Harappan towns. The Harappans used baked and unbaked bricks and stones for construction. A few houses had more than one floor. The tank called the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro was an important structure, well paved with several adjacent rooms. Some unearthed structures have been identified as the granary. Agriculture and animal domestication. The Indus people sowed seeds in the floodplains in November when the floodwater receded and reaped the harvest in April before the advent of next flood. They cultivated wheat, barley, and various types of millets. They adopted a double cropping system. Double cropping means ஊடு பயிர். ஒரு பயிரை விளைவிக்கும் பொழுது அதன் கூடவே மற்றொரு பயிரையும் விளைவிப்பது. எடுத்துக்காட்டாக ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் தென்னை மரம் கல்டிவேட் பண்ணும்போது அதற்கு கீழே இருக்கிற லேண்டில் சும்மா இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அந்த லேண்டில் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா வேறு ஏதாவது பயிர், அதாவது மஞ்சள், இந்த மாதிரி பயிர்களை பயிரிடுவது தான் டபுள் கிராப்பிங் சிஸ்டம். Pastoralism was also known to them. They reared cattle, sheep, and goats. Horses were not in regular use. Pottery. The Harappans used painted pottery. Their potteries have a deep red slip and black paintings. The pottery has shapes like dish on stands, storage jars, plates, dishes, bowls, and pots, metal tools, and weapons. The Harappans used chert blades, copper objects, bone and ivory tools. Ivory means யானையின் தந்தம். They did not possess knowledge about iron. The tools and equipments such as points, mirror, and antimony rods were made of bronze. Textiles and ornaments. The Harappans used metal and stone ornaments. They made cornelian, copper, and gold ornaments. They had knowledge of cotton and silk textiles. Stoneware and shell bangles were also used. Some of them had etched designs, and the Harappans exported them to the Mesopotamia. Trade and exchange. The Harappans had close trade links with the Mesopotamians. Harappan seals have been found in the West Asian sites, namely Oman, Bahrain, Iraq, and Iran. The cuneiform inscriptions mention the trade contact between Mesopotamia and the Harappans. Weights and measures. The Harappans developed a system of proper weight and measures. The cubical chert weights are found at the Harappan sites. The copper plates for weighing balances have also been found. The ratio of weighing is doubled as 1 kg, 2 kg, 4 kg, 8, 16, 32 respectively. Sealings and scripts. The seals from various media such as steatite, copper, terracotta, and ivory are found in the Harappan sites. The Harappan script is not yet deciphered. About 5,000 texts have been documented from the Harappan sites. Some scholars are of the view that the script in Dravidian language. Arts and amusement. The terracotta figurines paintings on the pottery and the bronze images from the Harappan sites suggest the artistic skills of the Harappans. Toy craft, rattles, wheels, tops, marbles, and hopscotches. Hopscotches means பாண்டி விளையாடும் பொழுது பயன்படுத்தக்கூடிய அந்த கல் பாண்டி விளையாடுவதற்காக நொண்டி விளையாடுறதுக்காக அந்த சிப்பி பயன்படுத்துவோம் இல்லையா அதற்கு பேர் தான் hopscotches made in terracotta. Religion. The Indus people had a close relationship with nature. They worshipped peepal trees. Some of the terracotta figures resemble the mother goddesses. Decline of Indus culture. The Indus civilization and its urban future started declining from about 1900 BC due to changes in climate, decline of the trade with Mesopotamia, and drying up or flooding of the river Indus. Foreign invasion were some of the reasons attributed to the collapse of this civilization. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video.